Hi guys, welcome to another session of Socializing for Sociology with Shekhar. I am your faculty, Shekhar, Faculty of Sociology at KSG. Now today I will be discussing sequence of modernity in Western Europe. So all of us, we know that Europe in Middle Ages had seen Dark Age, that is post Christ. For around 12 centuries, Europe had gone through Dark Ages, and these Dark Ages were, life was centered around family, life was centered around church, and religion was dominating in deciding what is right and what is wrong. So the modernity phenomenon as such in Europe went through a process called modernization. And this process of modernization, guys, it was a process of around 300 to 400 years that it took, and it saw in various phases, it saw various level of modernity. So the first stage of modernity is where questioning and reasoning was induced in the intellectual minds of Western Europe, and that period was known as period of ideological modernity. Change in thought process was induced during this period. We will take all these entities independently in future videos. So ideological modernity, it was induced by scholars such as Dante Alighieri, Didier Erasmus, etc. Then you see ideological modernity, it helped, or ideological modernity had induced power of questioning the authority. Therefore, religion or questions were arised within the religion, and you see a German monk questioning Roman Catholic Church, and that is how religious reforms in Christianity occurred, and Western Europe saw religious or cultural modernity. So ideological modernity had also contributed to religious or cultural modernity. Remember the sequence. This and values coming out of this had also, thrashed the value of king's divine position and divinity of king to rule, and therefore Europe furthered into political modernity, and that political modernity is seen through the incidents or identified or marked through the famous incidents of French Revolution. Okay? So through French Revolution, Europe sees political modernity. Through French Revolution, Europe sees political modernity. And at last but not least, rise of democracy. Innovation and improvement in technology and science, it had also resulted into economic modernity, which is marked in terms of commercial and industrial revolution. So in Europe, you would see that Europe had gone through ideological modernity first, followed by religious modernity. Also simultaneously there was scientific revolution going on. So scientific modernity can also be considered as a stage. It was going on simultaneously with cultural modernity, followed by political modernity, and at last economic modernity by virtue of industrial revolution. And if you compare it with that in India, you would see in India economic modernity had come through LPG reforms in 1991. Political modernity had come before that, India becoming a democratic nation in 1947. But ideological modernity, it is still to arrive. And lots of Indians are still driven through traditional rationality. And that is where I leave you today, and I want you people to stimulate your sociological thinking, and please think about it. That's all for today from my end. I welcome you people on this platform, and I request all of you to subscribe to YouTube channel of KSG. That's all from my end. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.